Creating a new site when building a website with Google Sites. In the updated version of Google Sites, you, similarly to the old version, go to sites.google.com when logged into your Google account, or go to the little waffle icon and select Sites, and you will end up with your organization's Sites page. You find the red button in the upper corner where it says Create and click on that. And if the new sites have been enabled for your organization, you will have an option of doing your site in Classic Sites or in the New Sites. So this series of videos is going to be about using the new sites. And it comes up and displays. You will notice if you've seen an old site that this is very different than the old site, and it is not automatically live like the old site. So there's a publish button here. So you click up here to give your site a name. And at the bottom, notifications come up. You'll notice it said it was attempting to change the name, and then it did it. Now you might notice something different here too. There is a box icon similar to the other Google apps. This will actually show up in your Google Drive, unlike the previous version. If I switch over to my Google Drive and bring it up, you'll notice down here at the bottom it says Sample New Site. So it shows up in your Drive, making it easier to find than that long list that was on your organizational's list of sites. So that's how you start your site. If you want themes and other pieces, we're going to look at those later. The biggest thing in starting this out is you want to publish it because we want a live site. So if you're taking this course, I can see it in order to mark off the actions that you've done. So when you're ready to publish, you click on Publish. It's going to want you to give it an address. And then it's going to ask you who can visit your site. I'm going to make mine anyone on the web. And then do you want your site to appear in search results? And I'm not going to do that. Once you've done those few things, you hit Publish, and it publishes your site. So each time when you make updates, you'll have to click that Publish button in order for those updates to show up. Now you'll notice I have a drop down here, so there's an area where I can go to Unpublish, I can view the site, and I also can change those publish settings that I just set. So there is an overview of how to start off creating your brand new site with the updated Google Sites.